How to add a new delivery address on Instacart. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instacart. Make sure you're logged into your account, then click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, on the left side, scroll down and click on your account settings. After you click on your account settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, scroll down and click on Addresses. Here, click on Add a new address. After you've clicked on Add a new address, here, simply search for your address. Click on the address. You find Add apartment business if needed and save the address. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to add a new delivery address on Instacart. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.